Welcome. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently. Let your body sink into a state of deep relaxation. This is a guided meditation journey. We will balance your 7 chakras. Use the power of nature. Find peace within. Take a deep breath in. Feel the air fill your lungs. Exhale slowly. Release any tension or stress. Allow yourself to be fully present. Embrace this moment of tranquility. Let go of all thoughts and worries. Within you are energy centers called chakras. Each chakra governs different aspects of your being. When your chakras are balanced, you experience harmony. Energy flows freely. You feel connected to yourself and the world around you. Today, we'll embark on a journey through nature. We'll cleanse and balance each chakra. Visualize each chakra's color and energy. Feel its power within you. Imagine yourself in a serene forest. Sunlight filters through the leaves. The air is fresh and invigorating. Birds sing softly in the distance. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves. You feel safe and at peace. This is where your journey begins. Let nature guide you. Let your breath be your anchor. As we move through each chakra, allow the imagery to unfold. Embrace the sensations. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. This is the location of your root chakra, Muladhara. It represents your foundation, your connection to the earth. Imagine yourself at the foot of a majestic mountain. Feel its strength, its unwavering stability. It has stood for centuries, rooted deep within the earth. Just like the mountain, you too are grounded, strong, and secure. Allow this feeling of stability to fill your entire being. Take a deep breath and visualize drawing energy up from the earth, through the soles of your feet and into your root chakra. As you inhale, sense the vibrant red color of the root chakra filling with light. With each exhale, release any fear or insecurity you may be holding. Feel the mountain's strength becoming your own. Feel the earth's unwavering support beneath you. You are safe, secure, and deeply connected. Embrace the qualities of the root chakra: stability, security, and survival. Know that you are provided for, protected, and always supported. Allow yourself to fully embrace this feeling of grounding and stability. This is your birthright. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, nourishing your connection to the earth. Sense the gentle breeze carrying away any worries. Visualize roots extending from your feet, anchoring you deep into the earth. Feel the energy flowing up, invigorating your entire being. This is the energy of the earth, grounding and nurturing you. Take a deep breath, release tension, and surrender to the earth's support. You are home. Bring your attention gently to your lower abdomen, just below your navel. This is the area of your sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. Imagine yourself now beside a beautiful waterfall. The water cascades down in a rush of pure, vibrant energy. Feel the mist on your skin, cool and refreshing. The water flows freely, effortlessly, just like your emotions and creativity. Allow yourself to flow with it. Just as the waterfall carves its path through the rock, your emotions and creative energy want to flow freely. Embrace them without judgment. Feel the full spectrum of your emotions: joy, sadness, anger, excitement, without attaching to them. They are all part of the ebb and flow of life. Enjoy the simple pleasures in life, the taste of food, the feeling of sunshine on your skin. Breathe deeply and visualize drawing in creative energy from the waterfall. Now bring to mind the image of the moon, its soft, gentle light illuminating the night sky. Just like the moon, your sacral chakra has a natural ebb and flow. Embrace the cycles within you, the times of high energy and creativity, and the times of rest and reflection. Allow the moon's gentle energy to soothe and nourish you. Move your attention to your upper abdomen around your stomach. This is your solar plexus chakra, Manipura. It is the center of your personal power and self-esteem. Imagine standing in a field of sunflowers, their faces tilted towards the sun. Feel the sun's warmth on your skin, a radiant golden energy. Breathe in, drawing the sun's energy into your solar plexus chakra. Feel it expanding, filling you with warmth and vitality. The solar plexus chakra is often associated with fire. Feel the warmth of this inner fire, empowering you to pursue your dreams. See the flames dancing, reflecting your inner strength. You have the power to create change. Embrace this power within you. Feel the sun's energy strengthening your solar plexus chakra, boosting your confidence and self-esteem. You are worthy, you are capable, and you are enough. Embrace your unique beauty and power. You are a radiant being of light. Move through the world with confidence and grace. I am strong, I am powerful, I am worthy, I am enough. Let your attention shift now to the center of your chest, to your heart space. This is the location of your heart chakra, Anahata. It is the center of love, compassion, forgiveness, and acceptance. In the center, a single rose blooms, its petals soft and delicate. Visualize the rose's vibrant green energy flowing into your heart chakra. Allow yourself to receive this love fully and completely. Feel your heart expanding with each breath, becoming lighter and more open. As you exhale, release any past hurts, resentments, or grudges you may be holding on to. Visualize those feelings dissolving into the earth, replaced by compassion and understanding. Forgive yourself and others for any past transgressions. Embrace the transformative power of forgiveness. It allows your heart to heal and open to the boundless love that surrounds you. Repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am love. I am worthy of love. I choose to forgive and let go. As you breathe deeply, allow yourself to feel a sense of interconnectedness with all beings. We are all connected by the invisible threads of love and compassion. Feel gratitude for the love in your life, for the people who support and cherish you. Send them love and blessings in return. Extend your love outward, to your community, to the world, to all beings everywhere. Visualize sending love and light to those who are suffering. As you continue to breathe, rest in this feeling of love, compassion, and interconnectedness. This is the essence of your true nature. Allow the peace of the garden to wash over you. The gentle rustling of leaves, the soft chirping of birds all contribute to a symphony of tranquility. This inner peace is always available to you. Appreciate the stillness within you, the quiet space where love resides. Carry this feeling of love and peace with you. Let it guide your thoughts, words, and actions. Bring your awareness to the center of your throat. This is your throat chakra, Vishuddha. It is the center of communication and truth. Imagine standing on a hilltop, gazing at the clear blue sky. It is endless, like your ability to express yourself. Feel the breeze caressing your throat as you inhale. As you exhale, visualize tightness melting away. This is the freedom to speak your truth. The color of the throat chakra is a vibrant blue, the color of communication and clarity. Visualize this blue energy swirling around your throat. Just as the sky allows birds to soar and sing, your throat chakra lets you express yourself. Embrace your voice and unique expression. Exhale, releasing fear or judgment. The throat chakra is about speaking and listening. Appreciate the sounds around you, the gentle breeze, the birds singing melodies. Listen with an open heart and mind. Be present to the symphony of life. Silence is just as important. Embrace the stillness within you. Connect with your inner wisdom. Section 4. The flow of communication. Imagine a crystal clear stream flowing effortlessly down a mountainside. This is the energy of a balanced throat chakra, where communication flows freely and effortlessly. Visualize this stream flowing through your throat, clearing away any blockages or obstacles to your self-expression. As you breathe deeply, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I speak my truth with clarity and confidence. I listen with an open heart and an open mind. My communication is authentic and loving. Allow this sense of peace and clarity to wash over you as you continue to breathe deeply, nourishing and balancing your throat chakra. Section 1. Gazing at the night sky. Now gently lift your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. This is the location of your third eye chakra, ajna. Imagine yourself lying on a soft bed of grass, gazing up at the night sky. Countless stars twinkle above you, like diamonds scattered across a velvet cloth. The moon bathes the world in its soft silvery light. Visualize the deep indigo color of the night sky filling your third eye chakra. Section 2. Intuition and Inner Wisdom. The third eye chakra is the seat of intuition, that inner voice that whispers and nudges. It holds the wisdom of your soul, your connection to something greater. Trust in your ability to access this wisdom, to see beyond the physical world. Your intuition is always guiding you, even when you are not aware. Pay attention to your dreams, your hunches, those subtle feelings within you. Connecting to your higher self. Imagine a single star shining brighter than all the others. This star represents your higher self, your true essence. Visualize a beam of light connecting your third eye chakra to this star. Feel the energy flowing, illuminating your mind. This connection is always available for guidance and clarity. Trust in the wisdom of your higher self. Repeat these affirmations. I trust my intuition. I am open to receiving guidance. I am wise, insightful, and connected to the divine. Section 4. Embracing clarity and vision. Allow yourself to fully embrace the stillness and clarity of the night sky. Feel the peace that comes from connecting with your inner wisdom. Know that you are divinely guided and supported. Trust in the unfolding of your life's journey. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow yourself to drift further into a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Your third eye chakra is open, balanced, and radiant. The lotus flower unfolds. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. This is your crown chakra, Sahasrara. It is the center of your spiritual connection. Imagine a lotus flower floating on a still pond. As you breathe in, visualize its petals unfurling. This lotus flower represents your crown chakra. As it opens, divine energy flows into you. Feel the warmth of this energy, connecting you to the universe. The crown chakra is often associated with the color violet or white, the colors of spirituality and enlightenment. Visualize this radiant light filling your entire being, dissolving any remaining darkness or negativity. As you breathe deeply, allow yourself to surrender to this divine energy, trusting that you are always guided, protected, and loved. Feel a sense of deep peace and serenity washing over you as you connect with the infinite wisdom and love that resides within you. This is the energy of enlightenment, of recognizing your true nature as a spiritual being having a human experience. Imagine yourself floating upwards, rising above the clouds into space. Look down and see the earth below, a beautiful blue and green sphere. Feel the interconnectedness of all things, part of one universal consciousness. Breathe in, drawing in the energy of the cosmos, feeling its vastness. You are a part of this magnificent universe connected to everything. Allow yourself to rest in this feeling of oneness, of pure bliss and gratitude. You are home, here in the heart of the universe. Feel the love and light of the universe nourishing every cell in your body. Embrace your true nature and shine brightly. Carry this connection with you always. Feel the energy of all 7 chakras, aligned and balanced, vibrant and strong. From the grounding root to the intuitive crown, you are a radiant being of light, connected to the earth and the cosmos. Carry this sense of peace and balance with you as you gently open your eyes. The journey through your chakras is complete, yet the practice continues in every breath you take. Remember the tranquility of nature, the strength of the mountains, the flow of water, the warmth of the sun. Return to this meditation whenever you need to reconnect, to heal, to find your center. Make time for yourself, to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. The journey to balance is ongoing. Namaste.